Na-surprise visit tayo today!
Hi! Just Ayala being Ayala. And I'm so excited kasi my friend came over to my place. Saktong-sakto dahil I'm home alone today and the company will be really nice. The only problem is I'm currently working right now and mamaya pa yung lunch break ko. So, nandun siya sa labas kasi ayaw niya maka-disturb dito and then sabi ko babalikan ko siya after some minutes. Which is no problem at all dahil hindi naman niya first time bumisita dito. Pero ako, excited na ako matapos yung work dahil I can't wait for our chikahan.
Nagbabalik, guys.
When it was finally lunch break, I turned off my mic and camera and whip up a quick lunch from whatever I had sa kitchen. So, meron lang ako dyang tinapay, fruits, tofu, kung ano na lang na kaya kong i-prepare. Luckily, nag-come together naman lahat ng mga pagkain. Ang saya lang, just chatting and laughing, catching up in person. Feels different talaga pagkausap mo yung tao, face to face, not just texting or calling. We even included some of our friends sa video call para sama-sama na yung kwentuhan. Tapos nag-TikTok na rin kami kahit parehas kami hindi marunong sumayaw. This may seem a very quick visit, but it reminded me that friendship matters. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung mga moments like this, and honestly, this make life feel real and fun. This is your sign to check in with your friends as well. Sige na, hatid ko pa to sa baba. Thanks so much for watching. Alright, bye!